Hi, my name is Jun Kong and I'm an attorney in California, and I'm going to answer a question that I often get, and the question is how to claim bankruptcy and keep your house. Before I answer that question, I need to tell you that although I am an attorney, I'm not your attorney. I don't know your current circumstances, and so this should not be construed as legal advice. This information is provided for educational purposes only, and if you're considering bankruptcy, I highly recommend that you consult with a bankruptcy attorney near you so that you can explain your situation and they can advise you of your rights and responsibilities in bankruptcy. Now the question, how to claim and keep your house in bankruptcy. When you file for bankruptcy, you're entitled to something called the Homestead Exemption, which means that you get to keep your house as long as you continue to make payments on the house, and you can exempt a certain amount of equity in your home. If you have no equity in your home but you're current on your payments and you file bankruptcy, then there's no problem. You can just continue to make your payments and you can keep your home. However, if you have substantial equity in your home, you need to find out what the maximum homestead exemption is in your jurisdiction. And if the amount of equity you have in your home exceeds your homestead exemption, you may potentially lose your home in the course of filing for bankruptcy. For instance, let's say that your house is worth $300,000 and you only owe $100,000 on the home. You have $200,000 equity in the home. However, the homestead exemption in your jurisdiction only allows you to keep $100,000 of equity. In that case, if you file for bankruptcy, a trustee in your case will sell your home for $300,000 that it's worth, and out of the $200,000 that's left over after paying the mortgage off, you'll get $100,000, which is the amount of your homestead exemption, and the remaining $100,000 will be used to pay off creditors. So, before you file bankruptcy, if you own a home and you want to keep it, you need to make sure that the amount of homestead exemption available to you is more than the equity that you have in your home. I hope that answers your question, and if you're in a situation where you're considering and looking into bankruptcy, then I'd like to offer you a possible solution. This is a solution that can help you to generate money from home online with a part-time business. The reason why I'm offering this solution to you is something that I found to be of value to me. I am a lawyer, I have a successful law practice and have good income. However, what I needed was more time, and in order to have more time, I needed to be able to generate supplemental income to buy back that time. And so I found an online home business with very low startup cost and low overhead that I can operate from home on a part-time basis, and that's allowed me to generate supplemental income to allow me to practice law part-time and have enough time to spend with my family. If you're in need of additional income for your family, then go to essentialtosuccess.com, or you can click on the button below to learn more about this home business opportunity.